Okay, this is going to be a really short video. So when you're given a triangle and it is not labeled as a right triangle, there's nothing labeled as a right angle, you cannot trust your eyeballs. This one looks like maybe it's a right triangle, but maybe it's not. So you can still label the sides, A, B, and C. C still has to be the longest side. The longest side still has to be C to use this, the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. So you did an activity and you found out that when we plug these numbers in, a squared, b squared, and we compared them to c squared, three basic patterns came out. If a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, which is the Pythagorean theorem, then the triangle you have is a right triangle. But if a squared plus b squared is less than c squared, then you have an obtuse triangle. So actually, if I plug this one in, I happen to know this is greater than 90 degrees here. So this right here would be an obtuse triangle. And if I have a squared plus b squared, and those two sides, the squares of those sides are greater than c squared, then I will have an acute triangle. So, with these details right here, you're going to be able to do tonight's homework. If you only walk away with one thing, this is what you need to understand. If you can get, with the sides of a triangle, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, if that works, then you are dealing with a right triangle. This is nice to know. This is must know. See you in class.